Hi, Fran Torsen here. Well, here is your easy animator opened up, and this is what it looks like. So the first thing we'll do in this video is just give you a tour and let you show what there is, and then we'll start going through the functions. So we are going to start on the left. We'll start at the left and we'll work our way from left to right. You will be importing graphics into this program, and you will be using SVG graphics. You won't be using other types of images like PNGs or JPGs. If you're getting this from me, if you're downloading this free app from me, I will be delivering and offering and sharing with you a whole bunch of SVGs you can work with and play with. You can work with multiple graphics and bring multiple graphics onto the stage at one time and work with them, and I'll be showing you how to do that. There are some buttons down here that relate to your animations. You can animate single images together or groups, but we'll talk about that later. Animations can come in onto the stage from the top left, from the top middle, or from the top right. Let me show you one here. I'll bring our little friend here. This is our little default friend on the stage, who you'll see when you open it up. So let's bring him in from the top left, and let's just let him slide in. We'll hit that, and then we'll play. See that? That brings him in. If we wanted to bring him in from below, we would hit that below, and you see how he comes from the bottom right. If we want to bring him in from the left, we would bring him in like that. So those are the directions for the in animations. And these are the types of animation. So the first we had a slide, then an overshoot. We have a bounce, a spiral, a horizontal pivot. Ooh, that's neat. And a vertical pivot. All right. So there are a number of other things. We'll talk about these. Again, these all relate to the animations, and we'll talk about them later. And we'll get to the other types of animations in the next video. Again, this is the stage here. We've got this fellow coming in per the last animation. I'm going to just make him still. We have a number of different sizes here. This is the default stage, and you have a number of others also. You can make a banner ad, a 300 by 250 banner ad. If you want to create a banner ad, what this is for is creating a banner ad in GIF format in case you do those types of ads. You can have a Twitter format, a Google format, or a Facebook, and we'll look at that later. We can change the background of the scene color. We can make that black. You may be working with light images and want to work with a black stage. In any event, it doesn't matter what color the stage is, because your project will be rendered with a transparent background. You've got some links here where you can check things out. I'm going to be creating lots and lots of tutorials, so click on that page. There will be places to sign up to get notice about more tutorials, and you can discover more assets and more places to get all types of downloads. If you're on my list, you'll be getting a regular offering of freebies. I have lots of SVG images that I'll be sharing over the next few months. When you export your project, there are two formats. One is SWF, and we have a GIF or a GIF. An SWF image is an animated image, like a flash animation, that you can use in Explaindio or VideoMakerFX, and I will also have a video showing you how you can use an SWF and use that in a PowerPoint. You can also export that as a GIF file, a GIF file, or a GIF file, and that's an animated file that you can use on Google and Tumblr and lots of places online and in your blog. When you have your project complete, you hit export and you download that right into your folder. Now in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about these animations.